Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Poe2. To begin, focus on identifying items with high market value. This often means looking for powerful base types, like a 6-linked body armor, or items with several desirable affixes. Understanding what makes an item valuable to other players is your first crucial step. Keep an eye out for rare items with strong defensive or offensive stats, as these are frequently in demand. Once you have identified a valuable item, the next step is to price it effectively. Utilize the official trade website to search for similar items currently listed by other players. Compare your item's specific modifiers, tiers, and overall power level to determine a fair market value. Pricing too high will prevent sales, while pricing too low means lost profit. Aim for a competitive price that reflects its true worth. To list your items for sale, you will need to place them into a public stash tab in your hideout. Right-click on each item to set a specific price, perhaps 100 chaos orbs, or mark it as negotiable. Once listed, potential buyers will find your item on the trade website and send you an in-game message. Be ready to invite them to your hideout to complete the transaction quickly and smoothly. To maximize your profits, consider selling common items in bulk, like 20 maps or 50 crafting essences, which often attracts more buyers. Keep a close eye on market trends. Prices for certain items can change rapidly based on new content or player demand. Always double-check trade windows to ensure the correct items and currency amounts are exchanged. Being vigilant helps you avoid common scams and ensures successful, profitable trades.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.